What up, what up? Welcome back to Replica EDC. So we got a little unboxing today. Let's crack her open. Unboxing knife. Tanto Mula X series. This box is come by way of DLT Trading. Got a sticker, if I can get it out. DLT. Bam! We got ourselves a new light. So this is the Fenix E28R version 2. So the reason I picked this light up, the light I've been using is this Eagle Tech D3C. And this has been a really great light. But the lumens only go up to 800 on this one. And here recently at my work, I've been going in a lot earlier. And I'm having to go to the offsite warehouse. And I got to be the one to turn on all the lights, open up the doors and shit. And when I get there in the morning, it's pitch black. So I've been using this one. Or it's the warehouse is pitch black, and the lights that I got turned on, they're all the way at the far end of the warehouse. So I've been using this one, but I've noticed that I need more lumens. I need more power to be able to see all the way through the warehouse that early in the morning when it's pitch black. Now this is going to be the first Fenix light that I try out. As you guys know, I have stream lights, and I have that Eagle Tech that I've been using. What caught my eye on this one was that the lumens on turbo mode is 1700 lumens. And it's 1700 lumens, and it'll last for 2 hours on those 1700 lumens. So we got the light, and we got a USB-C charger. That's another thing that I liked about this light, was that it's USB-C rechargeable, so I don't have to keep changing out batteries on this little one. I can just plug this up. Comes with a little, I guess, lanyard and instructions, but we don't need them, right? Figure this shit out on our own, god damn it. So the only thing I was iffy about on this one was that it doesn't have a tail light clicker on the back. The tail end is actually magnetic. Well, I guess I can use this. Yeah, the tail end is actually magnetic. But like I said, what sold me was the lumen count and the runtime on the turbo. So let's see if it's got any charge to it. Is it not charged up at all? I need to hold it. Damn it. Do I need to charge it up before it turns on? Or I might have one of those, well, I don't know, Does it have one of those plastic things on the battery? It does. So it comes with a plastic little insert on the battery. So I'll take that out. Hopefully the battery's got some charge on it. Test it out. Alright, here we go. Alright. So I'm assuming that's, what do they call it? Moonlight. So that's moonlight. And that'd be, oh shit. Alright, so that's moonlight. And that's low, medium, high, and turbo. Which I think when I do the review on this, I'll take it out into the backyard at night. Give you guys some beam shots with it. Oh shit. Alright. Cool. So right off the bat, I do like the copper accents that it has. It has that copper button. The bezel right here is copper, so that'll match the rest of my EDC. I do like that clip is fairly deep carry. Cool. You got the USB-C port right here. Cool. So yeah, I'll try it out for a week or two, and then I'll do a review on it. Like I said in my previous flashlight video, I use flashlights every day at work. And like I said here recently, I've been having to turn on the lights at the warehouse in the pitch black. So I need more lumens and more power. So that's what we got here. Alright, y'all. Deuce.